everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, how are you? And thank you for coming back. If you have not subscribed yet, trust me, you'll want to subscribe by the end of this video, and I just appreciate you clicking on my video and just watching my content. So today's video is going to be me creating a custom keychain slash lanyard for your keys. First of all, it's pink, and second of all, I got to choose all the different things that I wanted to put on it, and it's just like a fun project for you to do. And trust me, anyone can do this project. It is not hard. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys see how I created these keychains. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to the craft store because we're gonna pick out our items for our keychains, and I just thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along. Alright you guys, I just pulled up to Joann Fabric, and I'm off this Friday, so I figured I would go kind of early and there wouldn't be as many people, so that way I could film inside. But it's still a lot of people here, and I'm just I don't know, I'm just a little bit nervous to film in public. I don't know, maybe I'll get used to it. Hey you guys, so this is the jewelry section in Joann Fabrics, and I came on the perfect day because they were 4 for $10. You guys got to understand, some of these strands alone are just $10 for one, so I came on the perfect day. But you guys can just pick out any strands of jewelry that you want in any color that you want to create your lanyard. And then also they have these puff balls that you can add for decoration. I finished up in Joann's, and I got basically what I needed. They had an awesome sale in there, so it ended up working out. And I'm just gonna show you kind of like what I got and what I still need to get. So yeah, alright, so they ended up having an awesome deal on these beads right here. These are usually made for like making jewelry or whatever, but I'm gonna use them as my keychains, and I just thought these were like so pretty. Then I also got these little clamps here, so that way we can hook them either to our bag or to our keys. And I just got these because I figured I might need them to connect the pieces together. We'll see how that goes. Also got this little pink puff ball. Alright you guys, I just left Target and it's freaking raining, as you can see, but I was able to find the two items I was looking for, and that was a like hand sanitizer and a lip gloss to put on the keychain. So I ended up coming out with this. It's not the cutest, but it'll work. And then I also got this lip gloss right here. So here I'm just showing you all the different beads slash chains that I got. This is perfect, and I highly recommend for a keychain because it already has metal loops on it. I got this crystal ball looking strand of beads. I ended up getting 4 strands of these like hologram pink beads. You can't really see the hologram as much, but they're definitely there. And then I got these marble strand of beads because I just thought they were so pretty. You want some strong threading for this project, so I got some nylon thread. Then I just got these two clamps and then little circle things to help connect the different pieces together. This is optional, but I actually picked up this hot glue gun and hot glue stick because it was like $6 for both of them. I have this little key ring that I just had from my keychain already. I have this little key hook that I cut off my old lanyard. Here is this little pink puff ball that I showed you guys in the store. And then of course I have my hand sanitizer and my lip gloss. Lastly, I picked up this jewelry toolkit, and it's just very helpful when it comes to making jewelry or keychains. So I went ahead and cut the beads off and separated them in these little containers that I already had, and also just the different connector pieces are also separated in these containers as well. So first I'm going to take my nylon and start beading the pink holographic beads on it, because this is going to be my lanyard. So just go ahead and bead half of the beads that you have, because then we're going to put on one of the connector pieces. Once you have half the beads on, go ahead and slide on the little connector piece. This is the one that I cut off my old lanyard, and then continue to add the holographic beads or whatever beads that you are using to create your lanyard. Go ahead and add the other half onto the other side. Once you have all your beads on, you want to go ahead and knot the nylon several times, because this is just going to secure it and make sure that it doesn't come unraveled. And just for extra security, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put some hot glue right there to make sure that that baby is not coming undone. After letting the hot glue dry, you can go ahead and cut off that excess nylon, and then this is how your keychain lanyard should look, and it is pretty cute if I do say so myself. So here I'm just showing you that I'm going to add the key ring onto that chain that I showed you in the beginning where it already had those metal rings on it, because this is just going to be kind of like the main structure of our keychain that's going to hang off our lanyard. Next, I'm going to start threading some more beads. So I'm going to take my nylon and add 2 of the small beads on first. These are good just for ends because we're going to secure it. We're not going to tie it together like we did the lanyard. And then we're just going to add one of the little crystal balls on the bottom, and then I'm going to take some of the marble beads and then thread that on as well, and then just do that to your desired length. Now that I'm done threading the marble beads, I'm going to take 2 more of the small beads and then put that on the opposite end, because remember we put 2 small beads on one end, and now we're finishing off with 2 small beads on the other end. Then we're going to take the thread and actually loop it on through the opposite end of the small beads. This is just going to secure our knot a little bit better. And yeah, so just put that in and then make a knot with your thread. Then you want to cut the thread off on the opposite side of the nylon, and then repeat that same knotting process with the small beads on this end as well. Then you want to take your little circle connector pieces and just open it up and then hook it on to those small beads. This is what's going to allow us to add on our lip gloss, because we're going to just poke a hole at the bottom of the lip gloss and then put it right on that connector. Once I have my connector piece hooked onto the small bead, I'm just going to take my lip gloss that I poked a hole into and just slide it right on like that, and then take my clamp and close it off. I literally just use a needle to poke a hole through the bottom of the lip gloss, and I'm sorry I couldn't get that on camera, but it's super easy. It just goes right through. Once you're done with it, just go ahead and cut off that excess nylon thread. So I actually already put a connector piece on top as well, and now I'm just going to clamp that onto the key ring, so that way they all are one keychain. And here is how this part of the keychain is looking. It looks so cute and girly. Now you see me here just taking my pink puff ball and looping it onto the key ring. This is already pre-looped when I bought it, so there was no need to add any like connector piece to it. It already had it there. Last but not least, I'm going to take my hand sanitizer, and this already has like the little rubber loop attached to it, so I'm just going to find where I want to loop it onto the keychain, and then that'll be almost done. last but not least, add your key ring onto your lanyard, and then your keychain will be complete. And here I just wanted to show you some cute pictures on how the keychain lanyard turned out. It is seriously so cute and so custom, and I just love it. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it, and also leave me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts about the video. Also give me more ideas of videos that you would like to see from me, whether it be DIY, fashion, hair, you know, all those different things are welcome. So please leave that down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said at the beginning, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't you want to subscribe now? Like, I'm hoping so. So please hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a video and you will never miss one of my uploads. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.